Hello, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing on a 30 centimeter wood panel a transverse wipe. The idea was to create something very like cut open stone, cut open mineral with beige gold tones. And yeah, I'm just creating now here kind of a background, and then we'll start with the transverse wipe. It's the first transverse wipe, kind of. Yeah, actually it's the first transverse wipe I've been doing. So yeah, it's challenging, but it's really fun to play with. You can do with your palette knife a lot, but it's just fun. It's just fun to play with. The organic structures you get in this one are so amazing. So just wait for it. Let me know in the comments how you like this piece. What do you think of it? Maybe I could do better. But yeah, it's the first one, and I would love to explore more with this technique on bigger pieces. So here I got to manage a kind of a good result, but going backwards, it didn't work out at all. So I had this mess here. So now I just have to swipe it away and transform it into still a harmonic piece. The idea is like something mineral cut open mineral stone-ish. Those colors are working nicely for that. So let's see how that goes. Let me know how you like actually the end result. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Big thanks goes to my patrons, Frito, Orlando, Missy, Stefano, and Manu. Thank you so much for your support. It means a lot to me. Please like, subscribe, share. It will help my channel a lot. Thank you for being here. Bye.